7 tips for reducing body odor. Ever had that moment where you wonder if you smell well, not so great? It happens, but you can do a few things to make body odor go away. Number 1. Keep yourself squeaky clean. Shower at least once a day and you'll wash away sweat and get rid of some of the bacteria on your skin. Sweat by itself is basically odorless, but when the bacteria that live on your skin mix with sweat, they multiply quickly and raise quite a stink. Washing thoroughly, especially the areas where you tend to sweat, can help with body odor. Number 2. Use antibacterial soap. Washing thoroughly with an antibacterial soap bar will help get rid of some bacteria, which can help you with the odor. Look for the word antibacterial on the soap's packing. An antibacterial soap targets the bacteria of the body to lessen the foul smell. You can consult your dermatologist to select an antibacterial soap as per your skin type, so that you do not have any kind of skin allergy or infection post using the antibacterial bar soap. Number 3. Towel off well. Once you are showered, dry yourself completely, paying close attention to any areas where you sweat a lot. If your skin is dry, it's harder for bacteria that cause odor to breed on it. Number 4. Use industrial strength antiperspirants. Once you are clean and dry, use a strong antiperspirant on your underarms. These have aluminum chloride, a chemical that helps keep sweat at bay, and they often also have a deodorant in them. Use it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. You don't need a prescription to get a powerful antiperspirant. Look for ones that say they are high strength. If you think you need more help, ask your doctor about prescription antiperspirants. Number 5. Keep your clothes clean. Change clothes often when you are sweating heavily. Fresh clothes often help keep body odor down. Be sure to change your socks as well, especially if you tend to have foot odor. Use deodorant powders in your shoes. Replace insoles often and go barefoot when possible. Number 6. Baking soda. Baking soda holds intrinsically alkaline traits, which balances the acidity in sweat processed by bacteria. To reduce unfavorable smells from the body, prepare a paste with baking soda and water. Apply directly on the armpits to decrease moisture levels and raise sweat gland secretions. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Imbued with ample amounts of acetic acid, apple cider vinegar has inherently acidic characteristics, which destroys the toxic microbes in the body. Immerse a few cotton balls into diluted apple cider vinegar and tap on the armpits, foot, and other parts of the body to eradicate bacteria that instigate a foul smell. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time.